sense of warmth is missing from your home? Do you want a cozy feel to your home? Then this video is for you. I am Shivangi, an interior design consultant, and I am here with the third episode of my show, House to Home with Shivangi. Everyone wants their home to look good, everyone wants their home to be cozy, but they don't know from where to start and what to do. It is not even as difficult as you are thinking. I'll tell you 5 different ways to make your house feel more cozy, more warm. Are you ready for that? Let's go. First point is good lighting. There is nothing as important as having a good light in the house to make it look more cozy, more comfortable. So let me tell you few important points which should be considered while planning a lighting in your house. First point is avoid having direct source of light on the ceiling. Rather avoid having only source of light in the room on the ceiling. You actually should have multiple sources of illumination. You can have a pendant lamp, you can have a table lamp, you can have a chandelier. So all of this in combination will give you a very cozy feel. Second point is avoid white light and add more of yellow light. Third point is go for smart lighting solutions. They not only help you get the right color and intensity of light, but they are at your fingertips and you can just operate it with your app. Fourth point is add fairy lights. They create a very romantic ambience in the place. You can just use it however you want and it will never go wrong. And last point is use candles. Candles play a very important role in adding the warmth. So this was about lighting. Let's come to the next point, live elements. Now what do you mean by live elements? Live elements can be plants, fresh flowers, aquascapes, aquariums. For plants, you can have variety of indoor plants. You can have combination of them. You can plant it in the pots. You can plant it in the water. Fresh flowers. So now, do I have to say anything about fresh flowers? They just bring the big smile on the face, right? Who doesn't love the flower? I love them. And important thing is place randomly in your house. Don't make it feel like there's a special occasion and the flowers are there. Make it part of your everyday life. Keep on changing it every now and then and feel the difference in the room, in the living. Basically you will find a different kind of freshness in yourself. You can also add some fish ponds, some aquascapes wherein you can see water running, you can see live plants, you can have fishes running all around. These all things will give you that living element in the house. Third point is rugs, curtains and textures. All these 3 points are very important to add up that coziness in the house. A rug can be as small as a doormat, a bathroom mat, to a wall-to-wall carpet. You can add different textures, different colors. If you're going for warm look, do add warm colors like off-white, beige, brown, yellows, orange. The blues and the grey and the white takes you towards the cool color scheme. So they are a big no-no for the coziness in the house. You can add some textures by throwing some comforters, pillows with various textures, various colors, various you can have some sequined pillows, you can have some hand painted stuff, and all these elements contribute to a very cozy kind of house for you. Even curtains play a very vital role. Go for double layer curtain. So there is a sheer curtain which should be light shade, and there is a heavy curtain which should be in dark or earthy shades like beige or browns and shades of that. Use textures like linen, silk, cotton for extra warmth in the space. And yes, books play a very important role. They add to the texture in the house. Have a very good bookshelf, and if you are not keen for a bookshelf, just place some books on the center table or side table or bedside table and see the difference in the look of the house. Fourth point is artwork, wall art and mirrors. Nothing screams as loud as a blank wall. For getting that cozy feel, blank wall is a big no-no. Please avoid it. You can fill up the walls by various means, like you can put up family pictures, you can put up painting, you can put up a rug, you can put up a carpet, you can put up a mural, a fiber art. So there are a lot of options there. If you are not inclined for a 3D stuff on the wall, you can go for a wall painting. I mean, get it painted by any artist. You can have a lot of personalized designs there. You can also go for a wallpaper. In fact, these days the trend is covering all the walls with textured wallpaper, which are not very loud, which are having that much required warmth, but they don't look overboard. Fifth point is aroma. Who doesn't like to be in a place which is full of scent, which is full of fragrance? We have been liking fragrances in various forms, right from an aromatic candle to incense sticks to dhoop batti to diffuser oil. There are a lot of options which can add the much required aroma to your space to make it feel more cozy. You can use different kind of oils as per the season and as per your mood. Just find the perfect fragrance for you and make that as your home's identity. Hope this video was useful. I will help you make the world around you beautiful, and in turn you have to help me by liking and sharing this video. So deal? Cool. Stay tuned to my channel House to Home with Shivangi. Also, do subscribe to my YouTube channel by the name Shivangi Shahane Phanse so that you get immediate updates whenever I upload a video. So stay tuned till the next episode. Bye bye.